Welcome guys, today I'll show you how you can set a pet to your character in this Among Us game. So at the first we have to open the game. Okay, let's accept this stuff and then we have to click on this icon. And right now we can choose one of these animals, so I'll go for this one. And then when we click here to pay, will be redirected to the Play Store. And right now when we got our card connected to the Google Pay, we are able to simply pay for it by clicking on the buy button. So that's how you can buy and set up the pet in this game. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.